I am currently planning a standoff with a cabbage moth. Well, technically I'm planning how to avoid one altogether. See, most people, they wait for the pest to arrive and then they turn their backyard into a chemical lab trying to get them fought off. But since I'm a caretaker and not a chemist, I'm using the old way. In the Eden model, we don't use force to grow food. We use the natural systems God has already provided us. I'm not interested in fighting the moth later. I'm making sure it can't find the target now. This is my target, the heirloom cabbage. It is a garden staple, but it also is exactly what every moth in the county is looking for. Honestly, it's the garden equivalent of the TV remote or your car keys, somehow impossible to find exactly when you need it. So instead of reaching for a spray bottle later, I'm planning a scent shield now. I'm adding my sage to the garden guild, as well as my shopping list, because I forgot to order it. Sage smells great to a moth. It smells like a keep out sign. By planting these together, the strong aroma of the sage masks the scent of the cabbage. It's a strategic disappearing act. The cabbage is right there, but the moth's GPS is completely scrambled. This is how we cooperate with creation instead of trying to control it through force. But hiding the crop is only half the plan. I'm also recruiting security. This is Mammoth Dill. I call it my garden patrol. I'm not just planting this for the kitchen, I'm planting it as a help wanted sign. Dill attracts the beneficial insects, the good guys that patrol the garden, and they keep the peace for me. It is a closed loop system. I provide the habitat, the insects provide the labor, and the garden stays in balance. The high efficiency stewardship without the high intensity chemicals. Finally, the rule of the house, bare soil is dead soil. I'm including microclover as a living mulch in this plan as well. This protects the underground workforce, the microbes in the soil, from the sun and the wind. If the soil is the foundation of our Eden, the living mulch is the roof that keeps it safe. We are in the business of life, and life needs cover. We are caregivers, not controllers. When you set your garden up with the right relationships from the start, like this cabbage, my sage, my dill, and my microclover, the garden does the work for you. I've put the full tactical map and my updated seed list in the link in my bio, so you can plan your guild with me. Go check out the rest of the operation, catch up on the tomato guild in part 1, and let's start building your Eden. I'll see you in part 3.